Turn ordinary photos into extraordinary within a few steps. AI-powered creation that will wow your followers. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create AI-generated image on Instagram story. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the Instagram app on your device. Now you should be on your home feed. At the bottom of your screen, you will see a plus icon. Tap it to start creating a new post. From the option at the bottom of the screen, select Story to create a new Instagram story. Then at the bottom left corner of your screen, you will see a Photos icon. Click on it to select a photo to share. Scroll through your photos and tap on the photo you would like to use for your story. Once you have selected your photo, tap the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. This menu will give you more options for customizing your story. From the menu, select the AI option. This feature will apply AI enhanced effects to your photo. After selecting the AI label, you will likely to see a confirmation message. Toggle the switch to activate the AI effects on your photo. When you are happy with the result, tap your story at the bottom to share your AI-enhanced creation with your followers. So this is how to create AI-generated images on Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.